Hello and welcome back to From the Workshop. I am your host, Brandon Hart. We are here once again in the NimbeLink Nerd Lair, and this, once again, is a NimbeLink Nerd Note. So, for this Nerd Note, I brought with me a real flesh and blood nerd, my friend, Greg Nash. Greg, why are you here today?
So, today I'm here to talk with everybody about the Hardware Developer's Guide.
What the heck is a hardware developer's guide?
So over the past several years, we've had a lot of questions on how to properly integrate the Skywire into a customer's design.
Okay.
And all of those questions, are very common across all the designs.
Okay.
So we've gone and written a giant application note for our customers.
So a little more than an FAQ, gets a little bit deeper.
It gets into some of the nitty-gritties.
As much as I would absolutely love for you to relate all of the information that is contained within those 27 pages, why don't you pick a few of the best hits, the top topics, if you will, that are in the Hardware Developer's Guide, and give us a taste of what people can find if they were to open that up.
Sure. So topic number one is your power delivery to the modem. You need to make sure that you have a very low impedance power path for the modem, which can go from drawing tens, maybe 100 milliamps up to 1.5 amps in just a couple hundred microseconds.
Wow.
It's a lot of power right there.
Yeah, it's really a lot of power. And if you want more information about the power of Skywire, we do have a From the Workshop video that will go a little bit deeper into that. But please continue, sir.
Sure. The second thing is choosing the right antenna for your system. And the big part of that is understanding the difference between a dipole antenna and a monopole antenna, which is this little orange one on this board right here.
Yeah, one's bigger, one's smaller. That's the difference.
Partially, yes.
Okay.
So, and then the third thing, too, is just knowing what you need to validate in your entire platform to make sure your modem integration was properly done.
Okay.
So there's suggested tests that they can run and just things that they should double check to make sure everything's working as expected in their system before it's deployed in volume.
Cool. So all of that is in there. If somebody designs a system, I would say this is applicable not just to Skywire-based designs, but really any LTE or cellular-based design. But if they do use Skywire and they design their system, they think they've followed all the directions, how can they be triple sure after they did their own validation that they did everything right?
We do offer a free hardware designs service for our customers. So if you email our product support team, they can give you more information on how to set that up.
Email address down here. Send in your designs, your schematic. We will check it out. He will check it out and make sure that you followed the directions in the guide. Point out any tips, tricks, or other helpful information that may make sure that your product is successful when it's deployed. With that said, thank you very much. The Hardware Developer's Guide itself, you can find it on our website. Again, we'll put the URL down here and in the description on the video. But please do check it out. It is really, really good information. Don't take this for an overview of everything that's in there. There's a lot more information in the 27 pages that it is made up of, or maybe it's 28 by the time somebody reads it because we found some more good stuff to put in. But until next time, thank you for joining us on From the Workshop. This has been a Nerd Note with my friend Greg Nash and myself, Brandon Hart. Please leave your comments, like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and all that other stuff. And until next time, have fun building the right way with the Hardware Developer's Guide.